Hello, my name is Dr. Mohammed Aslam. Today I want to discuss Vernier Caliper, how we can use a Vernier Caliper. So first of all, here some introduction is here. The Vernier Caliper is precision measuring tool used in engineering, science and industry, provide an accurate measurement of external, internal and depth dimension. And here, next point, more precise than a standard rule with accuracy up to 0.01 to 0.02 mm. So this is exactly accuracy, and in other terms we can say this is a least count. So next one, the measurement, the linear measurement. So with the help of vernier caliper we can measure a linear type of displacement, or in other way we can say distance between 2 points with the help of vernier caliper. So next one, this is the formula how we can calculate a length. So here MSR means main scale reading, and second one VSR means vernier scale reading, third one LC means least count. So just in case of here one point is here, more precision than a standard rule with accuracy up to 0.01 and 0.02. How we can get a 0.01, 0.02? Discussing I'm here. So first of all, we can calculate vernier scale reading, main scale reading as well as least count. So first of all, here I am measuring a how we can discussing here how we can measure a least count. So first of all, the first condition is just main scale reading and vernier scale reading should be at 0 0. The first condition is your main scale reading and vernier scale reading as a 0 0. The yellow color is vernier scale reading, and black color main scale reading. And just check it after 0 0. The first condition is the zero line of the vernier and zero line of the main scale should be at 0 0 and exactly collinear. Then after that just come here, and here add a 50 mm in case of vernier main scale reading. So but in case of vernier scale they exactly match at one less, and that's mean 49. So we can say the error is 1 mm. Error is 1 mm. But how many division? 50 division. How we calculate 50 division? Because in case of 0 to 1, total how many division? 5 division. Similarly, up to 10, 10 into 5, total number of division will be 50. That's it. So what is the error? How we can calculate a least count? Error in mm in main scale in respect to vernier scale, and in how many number of division in case of vernier scale. The total number of division here 50. How many error in division? 1. 1 divided by 50. Simple. This is the least count. Least count is equal to error in mm and divided by total number of division. Least count will be 0.02. Then how we can get a 0.01? When your error in 1 mm in how many 100 division, then you can consider 1 mm error divided by 100. Simply we can calculate a 0.01 mm. Okay, the first one clear how we can calculate a least count. Second one, how can we can measure a main scale reading. So here one green color ball is here. So first of all, after checking here in case of main scale reading, the zero line of the vernier, just check it, zero line of the vernier, then after what value? In case of vernier scale main scale reading, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. After 14, so just write down main scale reading will be 14. After what value? 14. 14 mm. Okay, after that just to calculate a vernier scale reading, just check it in case of 0 to 10, which line is exactly match, which line of vernier exactly match to the main scale reading. But in case of because of some error here matching line is to 2 to 3 point, but in a actual vernier caliper just only 1 point you can check a exactly match value. So here just for the example what I am mentioning is just for the example, at a 5 here the collinear just matches line. So simply, but in case of 0 to 5, 5 5 division, 5 5 division, 5 division, up to 5, at a 5, 5 into 5 total 25 division. Your vernier scale reading will be 25 division. Your main scale reading will be 14 mm. 14 mm. Just check here. 10, 11, 12, 13. This is the main scale reading ना, बड़ा वाला क्या है main scale reading. So simply you can write down here main scale reading 14 and vernier scale reading 25 into list count 1 divided by 50 total. We can simply, this is the formula, main scale reading 14, vernier scale reading 25, list count 0.02. Simple we can calculate. Here I am saying just for the clarification, main scale reading upper one main scale, lower one vernier scale, and zero line of the vernier below here, and upper one 01 is mentioning here. This is the zero line of the main scale reading. Okay. So what are the application of the vernier caliper? So with the help of vernier caliper we can measure a linear displacement, or we can say points between 2 points. In other way we can say we can measure a internal diameter, external diameter, as well as depth. So this is the vernier caliper image. Just for the upper one we can, with the help of upper one, internal diameter, and lower one the outer dimension, and third one here stem is here, stem for the measuring of the depth. So with the, for the measuring of depth we can use a stem. After that here some clarification is here: internal diameter with the help of upper jaw, with our external diameter with the help of bigger one, outer jaw, and as well as depth with the help of stem. Simply we can say with the help of vernier caliper we can measure a internal diameter, external diameter, as well as depth. That's it.